Welcome to the Out Loud English Podcast.
And welcome to Day 5 of the 5-Day Real Life English Challenge. We are so happy you're here for the final day.
That's right. Today is all about building your everyday English confidence. We're going to help you speak English with confidence in real situations.
We will bring together everything we learned in the first 4 days.
So, that's English for going places,
Shopping.
Handling problems and small mistakes.
And social situations.
As always, the most important rule is to speak out loud with us. This is your English speaking practice.
Exactly. Today is not about learning perfect English. Today is about using the English you already have. Let's get started.
Okay, so let's do a very quick review. We've covered going places, shopping, handling problems, and social situations. Exactly. But today, we'll use these phrases together because real life does not happen in perfect categories. It's all mixed together.
That's such a good point, Jake. In real life, you need confidence, and many learners wait until they feel ready to speak.
Right, they wait for their English to be perfect. But here's the secret. Confidence doesn't come from being perfect.
No, it doesn't. Confidence comes from using small, simple phrases again and again. It comes from practice.
You can speak with simple English. You can ask for help. A short sentence is always better than silence.
That's the key. And you can make small mistakes and still be understood. Real conversations are built from small, practical English phrases.
So remember this. Confidence does not mean you never make mistakes. Confidence means you keep speaking when mistakes happen.
Okay, so our first skill for English confidence is this. When you feel nervous, just start with one simple phrase.
I love that. Sometimes I freeze because I want to find the perfect sentence.
Me too, but you don't need a perfect sentence. Just start with one simple phrase.
Like what?
Like, can you help me with this? That is enough to begin the conversation. Or, I'm just looking, thanks.
Ah, I see. So simple English can start the conversation and give you a moment to think.
Exactly. One small phrase helps the conversation move forward.
Okay, let's practice shadowing. Remember to listen first, then say it with me. Start with one simple phrase.
Start with one simple phrase.
Good. Let's try a few more.
I'm on my way.
I'm just looking, thanks.
Can you help me with this?
Great job. Those are your conversation starters. Our second confidence skill is to use a simple conversation pattern. This is for when someone asks you a question like, "How's it going?"
Oh, this is so important. A lot of learners just say good, and then the conversation stops.
Exactly. To keep it going, use this pattern. Answer plus a small detail plus a question back.
Okay, so instead of just good, what would I say?
Pretty good. I'm a little busy today. How about you?
Ah, answer, detailed question back. I like it.
Not bad. I'm just running errands. How about you?
That little detail in the question back makes it feel like a real conversation. It keeps the flow going.
It really does. It's a key part of everyday English conversation for A2, B1 English learners.
All right, let's practice this conversation pattern. Repeat this example after Mia.
Pretty good. I'm heading out soon. How about you?
Let's do one more.
Not bad. I'm just running errands. How about you?
Fantastic. That's how you build a real conversation. Okay, our third confidence skill is using polite pause phrases. These are phrases you use when you need a moment to think.
Yes, this is so useful. Sometimes in a conversation, your brain just goes blank. You need a second.
Right. Instead of freezing and saying nothing, you can use a phrase.
Like what?
Let me think about it. Or, can you give me a second? Or even, I'm not sure yet.
Oh, those are perfect. So if someone asks, do you want to come with us tonight?
I'm not sure yet. Can I get back to you?
That's so much better than silence. It shows you're still in the conversation.
Exactly. Or if something isn't working, you can say, can you give me a second? Let me try again. Pausing is a normal part of real conversation.
Okay, let's practice these useful pause phrases. Repeat after Jake.
Let me think about it. Can you give me a second? I'm not sure yet. Can I get back to you?
Excellent. Now you have phrases for when you need to think. All right. Our final confidence skill is about handling mistakes calmly, because mistakes happen to everyone, in every language.
They really do. Even native speakers make mistakes. The important thing is how you handle it.
Right. On day 3, we learned some great phrases for this. You can say, I made a mistake, or that was my fault.
And the other person will probably say something like, no worries, or that happens.
Exactly. So imagine you sent the wrong message to someone. You could say,
Oh, I sent the wrong message.
the other person might say, no worries.
And you can say, I made a mistake. Sorry about that.
They'll probably say, it's okay, that happens.
Then you can say, let me try again. And finally, okay, I think I fixed it.
See? Using these simple phrases helps you stay calm and fix the problem without panicking.
Repeat after me.
I made a mistake. Sorry about that. No worries. That happens. Let me try again. I think I fixed it.
You're doing great. Now you're ready to handle small mistakes.
Okay, now let's see how these phrases work in a real-life English conversation. Here's a situation where you are meeting a friend.
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good. I'm on my way now.
Great. Are you almost here?
Almost. I'm looking for parking.
No worries.
Thanks for waiting.
Of course. See you soon.
See? In that short conversation, we used a few key phrases.
Yup. We heard, how's it going? I'm on my way. I'm looking for parking. And thanks for waiting. Simple, natural, and real. Okay, let's try another one. This is a common situation. Shopping and asking for help.
Hi, can I help you find anything?
I'm just looking, thanks.
No problem.
Actually, can you help me with this?
Sure.
Do you have any more in stock?
Let me check.
Thanks.
I think we have one more.
Great, I'll take this one.
Perfect. Did you hear those real English phrases?
I'm just looking, thanks. Can you help me with this? Do you have any more in stock? I'll take this one.
All right, one last example. This one is about making a social plan, but you're not sure if you can go. It combines social English and our new confidence phrases.
Do you want to get coffee this weekend?
That sounds fun.
Great. Saturday?
I'm not sure yet. I need to check my schedule.
No problem.
Can I get back to you?
Of course.
Thanks for inviting me.
Sure. Talk to you later.
So useful. In that conversation, we heard,
That sounds fun. I'm not sure yet. Can I get back to you? Thanks for inviting me. Talk to you later.
Okay, it is time for your final challenge in this English speaking challenge. We want you to create your own short conversation.
That's right. You are going to use 5 types of phrases from this week. Are you ready to speak out loud? Here we go.
First, you can start with a greeting or some small talk.
Say it now.
Good. Now, say one real-life phrase from this challenge, maybe about going somewhere or shopping. Go ahead.
Excellent. Now use a phrase to ask for time or help.
Great. Now, you can give a polite response like, no worries, or thanks.
And finally, end the conversation naturally.
Amazing! Now try to put all 5 of your phrases together into one short conversation. Take your time. Speak out loud now.
Fantastic work! That is how you use real-life English with confidence.
Wow, what a week! Let's quickly review everything from the 5-day real-life English challenge.
On day 1 for going places, we learned, I'm on my way and I'm running a little late.
On day 2 for shopping, we practiced, I'm just looking, thanks. And, do you have any more in stock?
Day 3 was problems and small mistakes, with phrases like, it's not working and I made a mistake.
Day 4, social situations, we used, how's it going? And it was nice talking to you.
And today, day 5, was all about everyday confidence. We learned to start with one simple phrase like, can you give me a second? We know that a short sentence is better than silence.
And just like that, you completed the 5-day real-life English challenge.
Congratulations! You practice English for going places, shopping, problems and mistakes, social situations, and everyday confidence. That is real progress.
It really is. Keep using these phrases in real life. You can watch this challenge again. Speak out loud with us again. Confidence grows with practice.
To keep practicing, we have a small challenge for you. In the comments, write one sentence using your favorite phrase from the challenge.
For example, you could write, my favorite phrase is, can you give me a second?
We would love to see what you learned. Thank you so much for joining us for this challenge.
Be sure to subscribe for more real-life English conversation, shadowing practice, and daily English lessons. Keep speaking out loud.
And we'll see you in the next episode of the Out Loud English podcast. Bye for now.
Bye!